Hello everyone! Welcome to Fluent Start English channel. This episode is for beginners to learn slow English. Today, I want to share with you my complete morning routine. I will explain every small action I do every morning. I hope you enjoy this episode and learn English easily. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock every morning, even on weekends. After waking up, I take a few minutes to stretch my body slowly. Stretching helps me feel fresh and ready for a new day. I then go to the bathroom and brush my teeth carefully. Brushing my teeth is very important for my health and hygiene. I use a small amount of toothpaste on my toothbrush. I brush my teeth gently, making sure I clean all parts. After brushing, I rinse my mouth with water several times. Then, I wash my face with cool water and soap. Washing my face helps me feel awake and ready to move. After cleaning my face, I pat it dry with a clean towel. I then drink a glass of water to refresh my body. Drinking water first thing in the morning is very healthy. After drinking, I do light exercises for 10 to 15 minutes. Light exercises include stretching arms, legs, and doing simple movements. Exercise makes my body active and my mind more alert. I enjoy exercising every morning because it gives me energy. Sometimes I do a few jumping jacks or small squats. I also like to walk around my room for a short time. Doing exercises regularly keeps my body healthy and strong. After finishing my exercises, I take a quick shower in the bathroom. I use warm water to feel relaxed and comfortable in the morning. Showering helps me feel clean and ready to wear clothes. I dry myself with a towel and get dressed carefully. I usually choose comfortable clothes suitable for the day's activities. After dressing, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I like to eat healthy food like eggs, bread, and fruits. Breakfast is the most important meal of my morning every day. I eat slowly to enjoy the taste and chew properly. After finishing breakfast, I clean my plate and cup carefully. I make sure everything is neat before continuing with other activities. Then, I pack my school or work bag for the day. I check that I have all books, pens, and papers ready. I also make sure my mobile phone is charged and in my bag. Sometimes I write a small list of tasks for the day. This helps me remember important things I need to do. Before leaving home, I spend a few minutes reviewing my plan. I also like to read a small paragraph from a book or article. Reading helps me improve my English and learn new words. I check the weather outside to decide if I need a jacket. I wear shoes and socks suitable for the temperature outside. I take my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving my home. I always lock the door to keep my home safe and secure. I then walk slowly to the bus stop or transportation area. I sometimes meet neighbors or friends and greet them politely. Talking to people in the morning makes me feel happy and social. I wait for the bus or transport while reviewing my small tasks. I like to enjoy this quiet time before starting a busy day. This is the end of my morning routine that I follow daily. Following a routine helps me stay organized and start my day well. Every morning is similar, but sometimes small changes happen naturally. For example, some days I wake up earlier than usual for special tasks. On other days, I eat a slightly different breakfast for variety. Sometimes I exercise a little longer or do different movements. Even with small changes, the main steps of my routine remain. I always try to follow the same order for better results. My morning routine helps me feel healthy, happy, and focused every day. It gives me confidence to face challenges and complete my tasks. Following a morning routine is very helpful for students and adults alike. Many people feel more active and productive when they have routines. I like to share my routine because it is simple and easy. You can follow similar steps to create your own morning routine. Remember, small steps every day lead to good habits over time. Consistency is important to make routines effective and beneficial for health. A good morning routine can also improve mental focus and happiness. Planning small actions like brushing, eating, and exercising helps daily life. I hope my explanation inspires you to start your morning positively. A positive morning can make the entire day more enjoyable and calm. When I follow my morning routine carefully, I feel proud and satisfied. I enjoy completing each step slowly and paying close attention to the details. Every step feels important because it prepares me for a calm and successful day. Sometimes I think about the day's tasks while drinking my glass of water. This quiet moment helps me plan and feel ready for responsibilities ahead. I imagine my goals for the day and organize them inside my mind. Planning in the morning helps me reduce stress and stay more focused. I like to enjoy breakfast slowly and really feel the taste of food. Eating calmly makes me relaxed and gives me enough energy for all activities. Breakfast also helps me think clearly and keeps me strong during the whole day. After breakfast, cleaning and organizing my area makes me feel responsible and tidy. I like to put everything in the right place before leaving my home. A clean space helps my mind feel calm and ready for learning. Packing my bag carefully prevents forgetting important things during the busy and tiring day. I always check my books, pens, and papers before closing the school bag. I sometimes double-check again to make sure nothing important is forgotten or missing. I also like to take a few deep breaths to feel relaxed. Deep breathing in the morning refreshes my mind, lungs, and whole body completely. It gives me peace and prepares me to face challenges with more confidence. Breathing deeply also helps me reduce stress and increase positive energy for the day. Walking to the bus stop slowly allows me to enjoy fresh and clean morning air. The air is usually cool, soft, and makes me feel awake and happy. Sometimes I listen to soft music while walking slowly to feel calm inside. Music in the morning helps me think positively and begin the day with peace. Greeting neighbors or friends politely makes me feel connected and social in my community. Small interactions in the morning create happiness and positive feelings in everyday life situations. I always try to follow a routine, even when I feel tired or sleepy. Routines help me stay organized and manage my valuable time more efficiently every day. Following a routine also helps reduce stress, confusion, and unnecessary delays in the morning. I like sharing my routine because it is very simple and easy to follow. You can try simple steps like brushing, washing, eating, and walking every morning. Repeating these steps daily creates a strong habit that improves your personal life gradually. Consistency and patience are very important when starting any new morning routine successfully. A calm, healthy, and organized morning leads to a productive and enjoyable day always. When I complete my routine correctly, I feel strong, happy, and well prepared for life. Finally, my morning routine is not just actions, it is preparation. It prepares my body, mind, and emotions for the day ahead. I enjoy every small step because it makes me feel fresh. Following a morning routine brings happiness, energy, and focus every morning. You can adapt your own routine based on your needs and preferences. Small actions every day create a better life and positive habits. I hope my detailed explanation helps you understand simple English clearly. Following a slow and simple routine is very helpful for beginners. Remember to start small and gradually improve your morning habits. Always be patient and enjoy the process of building routines. This is my complete morning routine explained in slow English for beginners. I hope you liked it and learned many new words today. Thank you for listening to my morning routine in slow English. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned some new simple words. Please remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment on this video. See you again soon in the next episode. Goodbye, my friends.